Hello class, I was telling you the story of our author, the chapter's author. Okay, although I was telling you the author, it is not author, again and again I am saying author, authoress it is, and that author is she. And here the writer has just selected the male character, and through that male character writer is just telling her own story in form of that boy. So here I was telling you that boy has taken the admission in a new school, and there he was just feeling awkward, isolated, and his teacher was making him understand that you will feel okay soon, by the time you will be okay. And in spite of all these things he was knowing कि okay वो लोग मेरी psychology means क्या, mind setup, they are just, all the teachers are trying to set up their mind कि mind को वो set करना चाहते हैं कि that you will be happy very soon and you all will means सब कुछ आप सब भूल जाएंगे and you all will set very soon. And meanwhile what happened on Sunday, the writer was just completing his homework. So meantime a tabby cat came there and purring, एक sound करती है, purring जिसको कहते हैं, and वो उसके पेन को hit कर रही थी. So it was the you can say revision of previous video. Will continue definitely in the next further lines. She was never far from me. वो कभी भी मेरे से दूर नहीं होती थी. She means what? She means the cat. The tabby cat. Here she means the tabby cat. And I had rescued her when she was a kitten. और मैंने इसको क्यों? क्योंकि वो जब kitten थी, kitten you know, baby of a cat. Kitten means baby of a cat. So baby of a cat is called kitten. So जब वो kitten थी ना, तो मैंने उसको rescue किया था, save किया था her when she was a kitten, and somehow she knew that I was the only responsible. That's why वो हमेशा मेरे ही around में move on करती है, and she felt comfortable when she remains with me. जब वो मेरे साथ रहती है तो वो comfort feel करती है. My mother cat is stalking the fire. What is the meaning of stalking? I'm just writing on the board. Note it down. Mark the word and note it down. Feeding and tending the fire. Feeding and tending the fire means what? कि fire को वो maintain करनी थी. कि if the fireworks are less, वो कम हो गए हैं, लकड़ियाँ कम हो गई हैं, wood कम हो गई है, fire कम हो गई है. So here the stalking work means fire को maintain करने का work his mother was doing. उसकी mother कर रही थी. To keep the house nice and warm, ताकि जो house है वो warm है, इसकी warmth maintain. To maintaining the warmth of the house, his mother was stoking the fire. Suddenly I smelled something, and suddenly I smelled something strange. Means just see here, and then I noticed it, smoke pouring in through the seams. Okay, you know beta, what is the meaning of seams? Means suppose this is your room. Seams means यहाँ पे ये एरिया में जो ये कॉर्नर की एरिया होती है, जस्ट लाइक वॉल, इज कॉल्ड सीम्स. SEAMS इज कॉल्ड सीम्स. दिस इज द एरिया के बीच का एरिया जो होता है, इज कॉल्ड सीम्स. सपोज दिस इज योर रूम. सो इट इज कॉल्ड सीम्स. तो बीच बीच में कुछ हवा ऐसे निकल रही थी, कुछ धुआं निकल रहा था. ऑफ द सीलिंग, कहाँ से? सीलिंग से. स्पेशली यहाँ सीलिंग से देख सकते हो. दिस इज द वॉल. ये वॉल एरिया है, ये वॉल है, कह सकते हो आप. ये वॉल वाला एरिया है एंड इट इज सीलिंग. So the smoke began to fill up. Because of that smoke, the room was filled with smoke. रूम वो फिल हो गया था स्मोक से. बहुत ज़्यादा स्मोकिंग हो रही थी, ऐसे स्मोक से फिल हो गया था सारा रूम. एंड सब लोग, इट वॉज बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट टू सी एनीथिंग. कुछ भी दिखाई देना बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट हो गया था. ग्रोपिंग. ग्रोपिंग मीन्स, ग्रोपिंग आई एम राइटिंग हियर, ग्रोपिंग. Groping means to search blindly. अब मीन्स क्या हो, बिकॉज ऑफ द स्मोक, because of the smoke nothing was seen by someone, किसी के द्वारा कुछ भी नहीं देखा जा रहा था, everything was blind, है ना, everything was filled with smoke, so very difficult to see, very difficult to search anything, so they were groping, वो लोग groping कर रहे थे like this, इस तरह से आँख बंद करके, because कुछ भी appear नहीं हो रहा था, तो वो लोग just trying to find something, trying to by touching like this, इस तरह से वो लोग टच करके try कर रहे थे कि कुछ मिल जाए या कुछ भी एक दूसरे को, where is the door, where is the window, nothing could be seen, ना, where is the switch, where is, means nothing could be seen because the room was filled with smoke. Our way to the front door, we all ran out into the front yard. That I was telling ना कि डोर भी नहीं पता चल रहा था, तो सबसे पहले फ्रंट डोर मिला एंड सब लोग जल्दी से रन करके बाहर आए. By that time we made our way outside. The whole roof was engulfed. Meaning of engulfed, means cover होना, surrounded by engulfed हो गया था, कवर हो गया था, सराउंडेड कह सकते हो और कवर्ड कह सकते हो, कवर्ड हो चुका था. फॉर वॉट, इन फ्लेम्स, सब कुछ फ्लेम्स में कवर्ड हो चुका था. इट वॉज स्प्रेडिंग क्विकली एंड इट वॉज डेफिनेटली, इट इज़ द स्पीड ऑफ द फ्लेम वॉज मीन्स वेरी हाई, बहुत फास्ट स्पीड में स्प्रेड हो रहा था. आई रैन टू द नेबर्स टू कॉल द फायर डिपार्टमेंट एंड आई जस्ट सिंपली रैन टू द नेबर्स एंड टेल कि जस्ट गो एंड कॉल ऑन फायर. जो फायर डिपार्टमेंट, फायर वर्क डिपार्टमेंट होता है, उस डिपार्टमेंट को कॉल करने के बाद वो लोग आते हैं. While I was my mother ran back. Suddenly what happened? मैंने देखा कि that mother was not running outside, just coming outside. Suddenly she went again into the house. So I just felt scared there. Okay, beta, mark here. We'll continue in the next class only. Till then, keep practicing. Note it down. Don't be confused. If you have any confusion, ask to me. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Happy learning.